Nasa Manila Pen Show tayo. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Pen. Bukas, benta naman tayo relo, balik tayo relo. Oo, kailangan natin kumita kasi laki ng gastos. Back to the ball game. Welcome back. Next day na.
Ganda ng t-shirt.
Ayun, baka naman. Thank you. Kamusta? How are you? John, what are you selling today?
Starbucks.
Sige.
Wait, before we start, I have a birthday gift for you.
Santos may ano?
For your office staff. For
Thank
everyone
you,
here.
thank you.
I also sell this, by the way.
Ah, really?
Yeah, imported drinks.
May business din siya, nag-i-import siya ng drinks, mga sosyali. Nag-offer si Brother Jahan ng Starbucks 2025, December, di ba?
Yeah. Yep.
126610 LV, ang tinatawag na Starbucks. Sa marinade date, 41 siya, with the green bezel, black dial. One of the more desirable models ni Rolex. Kumbaga, pumasok ka sa AD, ito yung hindi nila ibibigay sa'yo. Brand new.
Brand new.
Can I unwrap just to check? Hindi nga ata. This is yung usual na chine-check, yung class. Kasi syempre, pagkasuot mo, usually yun yung nagbabangga, yung nagagisgas. Si Starbucks actually ang ang successor to the Hulk. Tapos ang Hulk naman is successor to the Kermit. Si Kermit yung pre-ceramic na version nito. Well, more widely known, lalo na in the Philippines, as the Starbucks. Tapos yung pre-ceramic na aluminum bezel pa, that's what you call the Kermit. Tapos yung card niya, it is December 21. She have the white card, green card. Okay yung condition. I think it will pass as brand new.
Okay.
I don't see any immediate concerns naman.
I'm thinking 960. That's where I stand. 960.
Well, yun nga, like you said, affected by world events, peso's gone down in value a bit. Everything is important. Mas tumaas talaga yung value in peso. Kahit yung dollar value na retains,
Especially
yung value naman ng dollar to peso, tumaas. Pero 960.
Okay, what's up?
920.
20. Grabe yun. I just graduated pa.
Well, honestly, I would want to sell this nasa 1M.
Since you bought from me before, I'll give you 10k off. 950. Shake it, man. What happened?
Konti pa. Let's meet in the middle na lang sa ano. You were at 960, I'm at 920. 940.
940. So yeah, done. I'll take that.
God gift, God
God
gift.
gift.
Okay, sige.
Thank
Thank you, bro.
Appreciate it.
Congratulations, congratulations.
Thank you.
Ayos din.
Tapos teka lang, di pa tayo tapos. Babangan natin. Meeting lang kami. Time check, it is now 4:30 PM. I have 3 watches. Precious metal. I-alok natin, papakitaan natin. This is a 179179 reference date, just 26. Solid white gold, tapos silver diamond. Pang low-key lang siya. Pero alam mong white gold siya kasi naka-presidential bracelet. Ayan ang fun fact natin. Basta, ka-presidential bracelet, kahit anong size pa yan, 100% sure yun na precious metal yan. Mapa-platinum yan, mapa-white gold, mapa-rose gold, mapa-yellow gold. Ito yung yellow gold. So ito, this is a 69138 reference, 1986 model na factory diamond bezel ni Rolex. So medyo rare siya. Yung last naman is yung silver stick natin, 126333, date just 41, two-tone yellow gold, silver stick dial. This one, I wanna get at least na sa mga, as close to 700 as possible. Between 650 to 700. Dito naman, if you check Chrono, actually, mababa pa itong 899 na selling natin. Pero syempre, kailangan mag-iwan ng margin for dealer. Dito kahit mga as close to 8 as possible. This one naman, nasa over 1M to eh. Ang less than 1M kasi nga watch only. Pero alam mo yung isa ko pa naisip na mahilig sa ganyang mga relo. Market ni ni Mr. Bison. So bukas susugurin ko siya pag kasi ngayon medyo late na eh. Uubusin ko to. Kasi kailangan, tatlo na lang eh. Tatlo na lang yung nahabol ko eh.
Sige balitaan mo ako, Pat.
Paalam!